Hello, I'm Wilson Tang. I'm a final-year chemical and environmental engineering student at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. During my internship, I was on the BSP team. I was excited to be part of the team that provides technical expertise to various projects. We are also constantly exploring new project opportunities and helping them off the ground. I have had the opportunity to work on the meaningful projects under subject mentorship. My responsibility include developing mass balance calculation and preparing professional reports and memos. I have also gained valuable communication skills by interacting with various stakeholders. I really appreciate how I was involved in technical discussion, allowing me to learn directly from this interaction. This hands-on experience has given me a real insight into how engineering projects comes together into the professional world. I absolutely love working on the Stantec's hydrogen production project. In university, I studied tankers production simulation and did my final year project on hydrogen. So I was thrilled when this opportunity came up. My role involved hydrogen sampling, deciding the sampling point, and finding the company in Hong Kong that could do hydrogen sampling. Throughout it was a challenging, seeing those companies in Hong Kong offer this service. We successfully partnered with our university lab. Subject has been an amazing mentor throughout. It took me to Centex, where I saw the first hand how they generate electricity from biogas. I was impressed by Veolia's commitment to ecological transformation and how the company combines the tradition and advanced technology, such as hydrogen energy and lithium battery recovery from the flowing-rich wastewater. It was fascinating to witness the process of turning the waste into gold. I would recommend Veolia to anyone who would like to work in a place where they can learn and contribute to the future of the society.